In Minnesota, we are so very lucky to have a program that is committed to improving and preserving our public housing. Many public housing properties around the state were built 40 or more years ago and are in major need of upgrades and repairs. These needs go beyond surface level upgrades. We are talking critical infrastructure needs that address health, safety, mechanical systems, and other critical needs at these properties. Senior citizens, people living with disabilities, and families that live there are often some of the most vulnerable Minnesotans, and public housing continues to provide some of the most affordable homes in many communities. It is our shared responsibility to help ensure that folks living in these communities continue to have a safe and affordable place to call their home. Unfortunately, many public housing buildings don't have the money to make necessary repairs and improvements. That is where our publicly owned housing program, or POP program, can really help. The successful partnership we have with Bayview Terrace and Two Harbors is a perfect example of what we can accomplish together with the POP program.
Without Minnesota Housing and the POP grants, I never would have had an opportunity to do the ventilation or the elevators.
Bayview Terrace was awarded approximately $1.2 million in POP funding to cover the improvements in 2014 and 2017. The upgrades included an elevator modernization and installing a new ventilation system.
I thought the upgrades are well worth it. Building looks great, and I'm proud of living here.
Bayview Terrace plays a pivotal role for seniors in the Two Harbors region, as it's one of the only public housing properties in the entire area.
Well, I waited, a year? I found it, but I had to wait.
If it wasn't for the POP program, fundraising for the upgrade would have taken years. For many of our seniors, they can't afford to wait that long for affordable housing options.
I love watching them when they move in, and I like it when they love living here and they're happy. Then that makes me really happy.
Since 2012, the POP program has invested over $36 million to improve more than 4,500 units of public housing throughout Minnesota. To learn more about the POP program, visit mnhousing.gov.